The National Post states that houseplant sales have increased by 50% in the past 3 years. Bonnie Heatzig raised 3 children in her Boca Raton, Florida home, but now that they are grown, she is experiencing empty nester syndrome and is looking for something new to care for. Bloomscape can provide her with some green and vibrant solutions.
The kids are gone, the house is quiet, and it really gives me an opportunity to focus on the interior design. Living plants just add such an element of luxury. I stumbled across the Bloomscape blogs and I found them so informative. And then I went over to the shop tab and there I found filters that guided me and helped me make the right selections for me. The process was so easy and very convenient.
If kids and/or pets live in your home or visit frequently, you can filter for non-toxic plants that are child and pet-friendly. Bonnie's plants arrived directly from Bloomscape's greenhouse to her front door within a matter of days. So how do the plants travel safely?
When we package a plant at Bloomscape, the first thing we do is water it to make sure that it's really well hydrated on its way to the customer. Then we place a mat of wood shavings and a bamboo mat on top of the soil, and that just helps keep the soil in place. If we're shipping in the winter, we include heat packs and some biodegradable insulation.
It was so exciting. When all of my Bloomscape boxes came, I opened them all up, but I did have a couple of questions. So I went on the website and I filled out the form to the Grow How team. There's an opportunity to add a photograph. So I was able to show the Grow How team the plant in my space.
The Grow How team is comprised of horticulturists such as Lindsay, who provide ongoing expert guidance to people who need a little help developing their green thumbs.
I suggested a really convenient starter pack that includes basic care tools that any new plant parent should have. So that includes the plant snips, a pair of microfiber gloves to help clean dirt off of the leaves, and then also a watering can. A way that you can enhance the artwork without taking the attention away from it is just by accenting with a pair of plants like we did around her fireplace. We placed 2 snake plants on either side of the fireplace. They are really upright, so they help draw your eye up and bring your eye to the artwork without taking attention away from it.
In my kitchen, I have a corner shelving unit, and I ordered what's called a trailing trio. It's going to cascade over the shelving unit. Succulents were selected for my windowsill because they will thrive. It's a southern facing windowsill, so it will get lots of sunlight. The largest plant I ordered was a bird of paradise, which I love because it exudes those beautiful, vibrant orange and purple colors when it blooms. But it's a large plant, so with it, I purchased the saucer on wheels, which enables me to move this heavy, large plant to different areas within my living room. It was important to me to find an appropriate plant for my Zoom background, and I selected the silver pothos. It's a fabulous cascading plant that has a touch of silver. Most of the spaces in my home are large spaces, so I thought it was important to focus also on a very small space, and that was my guest powder room. In there, I selected a Freddy plant, which is an upright plant, which was important so it wouldn't get in the way. It's right next to the bathroom sink. Behind the toilet, I selected a red prayer plant, which is a fabulous plant with a lot of texture. I selected a charcoal and stone pots, as well as a wooden stand, because I like the materials and the texture. I think it added that organic look and feel that I was trying to accomplish.
Bonnie is a luxury real estate agent. She suggests adding plants when staging a home and likes to give plants to clients as a housewarming gift.
In my front entryway, we selected a money tree. This is a plant that is supposed to bring health, wealth, and happiness to every home. It makes a fabulous housewarming present.
Houseplants can add life and vibrancy to a home of any size. Whether you live in an apartment, condo, townhouse, or single-family home, they're also a great addition to your office or cubicle. Dig into your options at bloomscape.com and start growing. Go to designingspaces.tv for more information.